There are 5 ways going into outer space can kill you. However, we figured out not only how to survive, but to thrive. Get ready for an immersive experience where you'll participate in astronaut training activities and workshops to stimulate your personal and professional growth. At Space Center Houston, we bring people and space closer together. Our mission is to reveal how science and humanity power space exploration. The Human Performance Accelerator Lab merges NASA research on high-performing people and teams with effective business practices. As you explore the past, present, and future of the space industry, consider how it affects your life and work.
This is a place where visionary leaders have transformed the world and have inspired new generations. It is also a place where industries and humanity have reached new heights. As we step into this adventure, we will be surrounded by the spirit of innovation and bold leadership.
We invite you to embark on a journey of inspiration at Space Center Houston. We look forward to seeing you soon.